Good morning, my Colorado friends. Randy Flood here. Today is Thursday, the 1st of July. Can you believe that we've already gone through or flew through the first half of the year? Now, in the rates go up category, there's nothing in there to report. With all this bad and negative news for the economy, we should be seeing a gigantic rally in the bond market and mortgage-backed securities, and we're not seeing it. So I believe that we're actually overbought in the mortgage-backed security markets. Now, the rates go down category. The pending home sales dropped 30%, which is the lowest on record. Jobless claims rose. They were not expecting it to rise this much. There were 472,000 new claims. They expected 458. And also the continuing jobs claims rose also, and they were expecting it to drop. Now the Institute supply, management fell. Index fell to 56.2. It was 59.4. So in other words, you know, manufacturing is not picking up the pace. Of course, the Dow goes down. It was down like 92 points when I was doing this. Construction spending down. Once again, everything is negative. And here's what's going on in the market right now. Right at the moment, we're up 9 basis points. And with all this negative news that I was talking about, we should be way up here as far as the rally, and we're not. Now, this is still excellent, but once again, if you take a look at the long term, we are way above this 10-day moving average, and that kind of makes me a little nervous because if you also take a look at the imaginary trend line that would be going right through here, we need to be coming down here. So I do truly believe that we are overbought in the mortgage-backed securities. But once again, we're at new levels, and this is great support for us because once again, I keep on talking about these stair steps, and this is healthy. Now, once again, I believe that we'll have a correction, which will be needed. Now, this is how the market opened up this morning. You can see that it was down, then it shot up after all the negative news was released, and it's still very positive. This is one of the things I really like about Rate Watch Report. This morning when the lenders released their pricing, excuse me, only 24 had improved pricing for the day. 55, the majority of them had worse pricing. Now, as I mentioned, there was actually an alert, and when I click this, you'll now see that a lot more of the lenders have improved their pricing with the improvement in the mortgage-backed securities. In summary, all the news that came out today was bad for the economy. And this should be sparking a large mortgage-backed security rally, but it's not. The treasuries are rallying, which is good. Now, what's really interesting, treasuries have dropped 40 basis points in the last 30 days. Mortgage-backed securities have only dropped 20. Now, the speculation in that is what is happening is as we go through with all this uncertainty, a lot of people are going to be buying, putting their money in the safest, security, which is treasuries versus mortgage-backed securities. But once again, we are having terrific rates right now. As I mentioned before, is the lowest since 1954, and I was only like 2 years old at the time. So right now we have no jobs, housing numbers stink, manufacturing is off. So that'd be enough to for anybody to shoot themselves because unless we get the jobs, unless the housing market recover, and unless we start manufacturing things, we're going to be staying down where we're at, which is bad for the people, in general. However, it's terrific for rates. But once again, the mortgage-backed securities appear to be overbought, and I expect a correction. Now, the thought of the day. Momentum is a powerful thing. It creates exponential growth in your activities and results. Now, as we go into July, how's your momentum? Are you knocking it out of the ballpark? Are you getting where you want to go? Uh, Did you also know that that one single favorable activity followed by another one will create change? Will change everything. Once again, I'll use an analogy as far as pushing a boulder. It's very difficult to get it going, but once you get you know where it starts to row, it really picks up speed. The same thing with an avalanche. And I would like to see your business really pick up and grow to where you would like it to be. And as always, wanting only the best for you.